Here's an example of the TagoIO and MClimate collaboration, and it's just the beginning. Start your building journey with MClimate and TagoIO. Simple control, smart insights. As you can see, you can remotely monitor and control all your MClimate Vicki devices from a single, intuitive dashboard. Track real-time temperature and humidity data. View historical trends to optimize comfort and efficiency. Monitor network status and battery levels, and detect potential issues like mold risk before they become problems. Set target temperatures remotely, create automated schedules, and adjust settings for multiple devices, all from anywhere, at any time. You can give your users an awesome experience by customizing any application. Use your own logo, rearrange widgets, change colors to match your company's theme, and so much more.